Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm taking you out thrifting and antiquing. I thought we would spend the day heading out to different stores around town, maybe even checking out some new antique stores that I haven't been to yet that I've heard great things about. Right now, all of the home decor stores are filled with holiday decor and I'm not quite there yet. So I'm headed out thrifting and antiquing to look at some beautiful pieces and see what we can find for our home. So I hope this gives you some ideas on what you can find thrifting and antiquing as well. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and head to the store. We're starting off the day at Habitat for Humanity, one of my favorite places to thrift shop. They have incredible furniture selection here, home decor, building supplies, pretty much everything you need for your home on a major budget. So I love checking out everything they have. I always start in the large furniture section, especially large wood cabinets. You can find beautiful pieces in here that you can keep as is or refinish. I love checking out the hutches because I am looking for the perfect hutch for the dining room. Now, some of these items are beautiful as is, a lot of these solid wood pieces, but there's one thing about them that makes them look a bit dated, and it's the shininess. So I would just recommend sanding down these items. Also, how cool is this? This antique spinning wheel? It's just something I would put in a corner and use to style. Just bring some character into your home. Now they have a small dishes and decor section here in the corner, and I usually have some pretty good luck in here. This vase caught my eye right away because I loved the scale of it. It's massive and it's really low, so it's perfect for a coffee table or dining table, so you don't have anything that's adding too much height and you can't see over top of it. So I'm taking that home with me. I would say these are the perfect decor piece because they can be styled with florals, without florals. They look sculptural, they add scale, height, texture, color, the whole thing. So if you are thrifting around, look for large vases and vessels. Now, I have been in the need of a large fruit bowl, and this wood fruit bowl is perfect. It's huge, again, able to fit so much good produce to style on top of the countertop. It has different shades of wood in it. It's the perfect find. Okay, now if you're seeing the lamps in the antique stores, they're probably looking a bit dated because of the lampshade, but pay more attention to the lamp base. This is a perfect small lamp base that would look great in a kitchen if you just swap out the lampshade. So keep that in mind when you're looking around in stores. You can find some really great deals on lamps. I always check out the lighting section when I'm here, and usually I'm looking for sconces, small light fixtures, but this brass light fixture is so stunning. It's such an incredible price. It's actually very similar to a piece that I found at an antique store for $400. It might even be the exact same light. So that's why I like to mix up thrift shopping and antique shopping so you can see the price range and you just never know what you're gonna find. Every week is different here at Habitat for Humanity, but I'm leaving with the vase and the large bowl. I'm so excited to style this in our house. Now I'm headed off to the Goodwill, and I love coming to the Goodwill, especially for dishware. They have a ton of dishware, cups, glasses, mugs, so it's always fun to look through, especially as the holidays are approaching. They always have really cute and kind of nostalgic coffee mugs that are holiday inspired, and I think they're so cute. I love doing seasonal mugs during the holidays, and this is a really affordable way of doing that. I just spotted these Pottery Barn cappuccino or teacups. How cute are these with the little saucer plate? I am taking 4 of these home with me. They're exactly what I need. I have a lot of large mugs, but these are perfect for those fancy cappuccinos. I'm also picking up 2 of these large platter plates. These are great for serving, especially around the holidays. I found last year I didn't have enough large dishes to serve our family, so I am getting these on a major budget. Now, they don't always have the largest furniture selection here, but it's always worth looking at because it's very, very affordable. I thought this little bookcase was really cute. It's only $14.99, something I'd probably paint. They even have a console table here, perfect for styling lamps and coffee table books or using as an entryway table. I mean, you can't beat these prices. I'm leaving with the serving plates and cappuccino mugs, and I'm very excited about them. My next stop is the Franklin Antique Mall. If you are into antiques and you just love wandering a store that feels magical, this is definitely it. It's 12,000 square feet, completely filled with antiques. And I walked in and spotted this brass oval mirror. It is the perfect size. It's $60 and it's actually pretty lightweight, which I always like to feel to see how heavy is it going to be. I'm leaving this at the front with the ladies working here so I can keep shopping around empty-handed, but that is definitely coming home with me. I'm so excited about it. They have so many beautiful pieces here. So let's see what else we can find. This antique white scale caught my eye because look how stunning this is. It's gold and white and would look absolutely stunning in a white kitchen or an antique inspired kitchen. This would add so much character and it would actually be pretty useful. So I think that's such a cute piece. If you want to add charm to your house, this is the kind of place you need to come to add these unique items that really bring some life and interest into your space. I love going into all the different floors and levels of this store. It's so huge. So if you're coming, bring your walking shoes. You could be here all day. I just spotted this large fruit bowl again, this large wood bowl. This one's $95. So that is the difference between thrift stores and antique stores. Things are higher in price here. I am planning on getting a new front door one day because ours is a bit rough on the outside. This would be so pretty to add to the front door, just a nice brass heavy knocker. I think that is so cute. I also just spotted this large brass rail. This would be incredible on a home bar. Such a cool find. I usually leave with at least one item from here, and today I'm leaving with the brass mirror. I'm so happy with it. Now we're off to Mercantile 1858, the Arrington location. There are 2 locations. This is their first store, and then they built the Franklin store that we'll head to next. This is packed with antiques, a lot of pieces from Europe, which is really exciting to see. I see a lot of French wood wardrobes and hutches, so it's really cool to see things come all the way here from Europe. They have so much life in them. I love going into antique stores and just looking at all of the small things as well. Just simple items like hooks like this can just add so much charm to your home, and they're items like this that you can only find at antique stores. These jugs caught my eye because I've never seen a wicker wrapped jug like this, and these are huge. lookout for art and paintings from antique stores, and these are really beautiful still life paintings, very fitting for a kitchen. Sometimes it's just a single brass hook that catches my eye. I think this is so cute, just putting that on the back of a door. You'd use it all the time. Also, how cute are these little mice? Perfect for holding a candlestick, putting on your dinner table, just reminds me of Cinderella. Now off to their second location, the Franklin location. This is even larger, filled with furniture and decor and really special pieces. I love looking through all of their items and just taking my time through these stores. A day out thrifting and antiquing is all about moving slowly and really looking through items, so it's just an inspiring day. Let me know down below in the comments, are you a slow thrifter? Do you love taking your time, or are you someone that just races around the store? Let me know. They have beautiful displays here, and it really inspires you on how you can style the antiques in your home. I love these brass and copper items, how much they can warm up your home instantly. So those are items I always have my eye on while I'm thrifting. Wow, that was thrifting antiquing overload. I went to so many different locations, drove all over town today, even further than I normally do, to see what we can find, and there's so many incredible pieces out there. If you're looking for ways to make your home look unique, lived in, cozy, and just extra welcoming, you definitely need to head out thrifting and antiquing. You can find incredible deals, really special pieces, and things that will just inspire your home. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite thing to thrift is. Do you like finding dishware, clothes, furniture? Let me know down below. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!